So why not go for a natural source of energy, a natural little boost to help you through the days? Instead of relying on things like caffeine or energy drinks, you can rely on something that's truly natural to help your body. And you do that with our hydrogen water maker. So our water maker, it's just a press of a button, a couple of minutes, and you have hydrogenated water. Has so many wonderful benefits for your body. So it can help with things like your mood, your energy level, it can help with anxiety, it can help with weight loss. It also helps with inflammation. It's believed to have antioxidants, so things that will fight your body getting illnesses and getting sick. So it's a great way to just get some extra energy through the day, but also do something so positive for your body.